Hey there, there's no horseplay in the shop. Hey, stop! Stop it! Turn it off! Turn it off! Well, if you're not going to participate, what's the point? You know, I make these videos for you guys, and you guys don't subscribe. You don't hit the like button. You don't ring the bell. So, what am I doing here? You guys are not looking at it. I got a lot of you freeloaders. Just look and don't subscribe. So, you just say this is a protest video. If I don't see any results, any subscriptions or anything, there's no point. I have other channels that are doing way better. So I'm going to go over there and do those videos. It's a lot of work to do these videos, and you guys don't appreciate it. So tell me, what is the point? You guys, I try to help you guys, and you don't help me back. It's a two-way street. Alright, goodbye.